In an unexpected and deeply unsettling turn of events that has rippled across the global scientific community. NASA has quietly and cautiously admitted that the strange, glowing trail surrounding the mysterious object known as 3 Atlas may not be caused by ordinary, naturally occurring releases of ice and gas as most comets display. Instead, this faint and ghostly luminescence appears to carry traits disturbingly similar to artificial propulsion technology, the kind of energy signature one might expect from a craft deliberately engineered, rather than a random fragment of cosmic debris. This colossal visitor, so vast in scale it can be compared to the entire island of Manhattan, is already hurtling through our solar system at breathtaking velocities. Possibly using some type of highly advanced propulsion drive cleverly camouflaged to mimic normal comet-like activity. If these findings are accurate, then humanity may be standing at the threshold of a moment unlike any in history, our first direct encounter with alien-made machinery, silently passing through our own celestial neighborhood. And perhaps the most chilling part of all is this. We have absolutely no understanding of what its true purpose may be, nor the faintest clue about whether its intentions are peaceful, or something far more ominous. The massive interstellar traveler, officially named 3I Atlas, maintains astonishing speeds of over 130,000 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, at such a pace this city-sized object could cross the entire distance between New York and Los Angeles in barely a single minute. A feat so extraordinary it borders on the incomprehensible for human minds to fully grasp. Yet velocity alone is not the only feature that makes 3 Atlas so unnerving. Within just a single day of its discovery, NASA's top experts were able to confirm what many scientists had long whispered about in private but had been hesitant to state publicly. 3 Atlas did not originate in our solar system. This mysterious body has wandered across the vast, almost unimaginable voids between the stars, regions of space that human-made spacecraft have never ventured near, territory so empty and perilous that, until now, it belonged only to speculation and theory. Its velocity is so extraordinary that even the overwhelming gravitational field of our Sun, the same force that binds planets, asteroids, and comets into orbits lasting billions of years, could not capture it. Unless an unknown mechanism exists to deliberately reduce its momentum, 3 Atlas will eventually escape the grasp of our solar domain entirely and vanish back into the endless interstellar abyss from which it came. But here is where the narrative grows darker, more mysterious, and infinitely more unsettling. For 3 Atlas does not resemble just another aimless chunk of frozen rock. Early analyses revealed it may measure between 6 and 9 miles in diameter, a staggering scale equivalent to the size of an entire modern city. Picture, for a moment, looking up into the velvet black sky and realizing that a whole urban landscape, its size rivaling Manhattan itself, is silently racing overhead at speeds so great that even our fastest machines appear primitive by comparison. This realization struck the scientific world with awe, fear, and disbelief. Renowned Harvard astrophysicist Professor Avi Loeb, a figure widely respected for decades of research into black holes, dark matter, and galactic phenomena, examined the growing evidence with a critical eye. After careful review, he reached a conclusion that shook the foundations of scientific thought across the globe. According to Loeb and his fellow researchers, 3 Atlas may not be a naturally formed object at all. Instead, it could represent the first credible evidence of advanced extraterrestrial engineering, a machine built by an intelligent civilization far older and more capable than our own. If this theory holds true, then something constructed in a distant star system has been traveling across the cosmos for thousands, perhaps tens of thousands, of years. And now, it has arrived here, in our solar system, its motives, purpose, and intentions cloaked entirely in mystery.